All STEAM, all day. The American Association of University Women are hosting a STEAM Day at the University of South Carolina, Beaufort for middle school girls. About 60 young women are taking part in 5 different sessions as they explore science, technology, engineering, art and math careers hands-on. In the science session, students got their hands dirty learning about plants.
We had science and it was really fun because we got to build terrariums and we got to see how we can show all the different layers of soil and everything.
In technology, students went online learning to code.
That class was technology and we were learning how to code in Scratch. I was messing around with some type of horse running and like a mystical horse, kind of like a unicorn, and I wanted the background music to be mystical, matching the theme.
The engineering activity is challenging the students to build a balloon-powered car.
So basically how the cars work is you blow into the straw, which blows up the balloon, and once you stop blowing, you put your finger over the straw and you let the air go and the car moves.
Students are exploring the world of photography in an art workshop.
We were doing cell phone photography and we learned about how to edit photos and work our cameras and stuff better than we did before.
And the students are testing out their math skills, solving lots of challenging problems.
So we were doing math problems. It was a math would you rather. We were doing a math problem and which one would you rather. You had to do a math to get your answer and you had to choose between both of the problems.
During the event, a senior from Beaufort High School also talked to the middle school students about applying to colleges and her future in STEAM.
I'm looking to bridge the world between STEM and political science, specifically environmental science, and I got into STEM because I really like developing solutions to problems. For most of my colleges, I applied as an environmental science and policy major, but then for the other ones, I applied as a chemical engineer with the drive to focus on clean energy.
The workshop is a great way to introduce the young women into STEAM careers.
It's very encouraging to see more women getting into these career paths, and we want to do everything we can in this community to encourage girls to continue with their education and to go into these career paths.
I hope that they're interested in pursuing a degree that moves them towards getting those kind of jobs in the future.
This is a 7th year the STEAM workshop has been offered to students. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.